and welcome to Robin Ford TV. This is Ben Snyder. Today we are going to check out a Chevy Camaro.
Okay, Rich Small again from Robin Ford. I have to go back to my youth and say my mom told me it's very important that you pick a job that you love. I definitely love what I do, and one of the reasons I do is because I get to highlight cars like this 2018 Camaro RS.
Oh, that's nice.
Now, I used to work for Chevy, boo hiss. But I remember back in '05 when this was a show car, how I was drooling over the magazine pages looking at this body design, which has evolved over the years to this. I mean, they have, look, take a look at this. Take a look at the front end on this car, how refined that is. You have LED headlamps, LED fogs, a beautifully integrated grille, very aerodynamic, great striping on it. I mean, does that look like it's mean in the front or not? It looks like it's ready to go. Come on back here real quick. And here we have the tail end treatment with the dual exhaust and then the beautifully integrated LED rear lights as well. So, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I ask you to vote. Is this one beautiful sports car that's very, very desirable or what? Okay, now for a closer look at the interior. This is Camaro LT, which gives you the leather interior with the heated seats. You notice you have a Bose sound system for you musically inclined people out there.
The audiophiles, if you will.
Not to mention audiophiles. And then, of course, you have, for you performance-oriented people, you have the paddle shifters on the steering wheel. So even though it's an automatic transmission, you get to shift through the gears manually like you're in race mode.
Rich, you mind if I come in and sit next to you?
Come on in.
All right.
Now, years ago, when I was younger, 6-cylinders were the cars that your father drove because they couldn't afford a nice sedan with a V8 in it. These days, you have 6-cylinders that are performance cars, and this one's no exception to that. 335 horsepower from a 6-cylinder motor is faster and more powerful than many of the V8s back in the day. So we're going to demonstrate a little bit of the drivability of this car. With the 20-inch wheels, you get superior handling with low-profile tires, and you get this power behind it just to give you a feel for acceleration. If I give you, don't scare anybody here. Holy moly.
Yeah, that moves pretty well.
That has some serious get up and go in it.
Yes, it does. I like this part about the dash. I like the digital readouts here.
Yeah, I do too. I like how
I think everything is very ergonomically centered, which you don't see in some of these other cars.
Right, and look at the digital interface here. You have your sound system. Of course, you have hands-free calling and Bluetooth. Let's see what this is. All right, obviously a guy named Timmy had driven this car in the past, but you can see here that you have integrated phones. You can probably pair a number of devices. It even shows you your inbox for your text messages.
Yep.
Right.
How many miles does this have on it, Rich?
All right, well, you're not going to believe this part. 2,100?
2,100 miles.
That's it.
Do you know what this guy traded in for?
I believe it got traded in for a new truck.
Wow.
So somebody's going a different direction, but here you have an 18. It's almost new, folks. And this is quite a deal.
Guys, this is a sweet car. I'm not a Chevy guy, but this is a nice car.
You know what, Ben? It even smells new.
It does smell new.
So come on in and see us. Rich Small, Ben Snyder, Robin Ford. Find us on the World Wide Web at robinford.com.
Not only the World Wide Web, the World Wide Web at robinford.com.